I'm going to make a chicken kushka, but I'm going to use the trick. See, forget about the traditional, authentic, the way they make in that. No, chicken kushka. Kushka, that gravy, add to this. Making the island of kushka with this nice shorwa gravy. The rice and this shorwa, I'm telling you, with a small chicken piece, this is out of the world. Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef at vareva.com. I'm going to show you how to make chicken kushka. Kushka means, from, border of Telangana, Rayalaseema and towards Karnataka, they make this rice which is similar to that of Bagara rice. And they call it kushka, mainly they make the plain kushka. But today we're going to make chicken kushka, which is, the rice itself is not like spicy or anything, it is mild. Always a nice spicy gravy is accompanied. I'm going to make a chicken kushka, but I'm going to use the trick. See, forget about the traditional, authentic, the way they make in that. No, we want to make it that it is so tasty and we can enjoy at our homes. For this, first we're going to add some oil in a pan. Even before the oil gets hot, we're going to add the garam masala. One is the bay leaf, the cinnamon sticks, the cloves and the cardamom. Fry it on a slow flame. All we are trying to do is extract the flavors here. In this, we're going to add onion. We don't need to brown the onion, but slightly light coloring can give a very good taste. Whenever we add onions, always add a little bit of salt. Just saute the onions till they're slightly colored. In this, we're going to add pieces of chicken. Saute the chicken little bit. After this, we're going to add ginger garlic paste. We're going to add a special paste, the mint coriander paste. So this one will give a very nice flavor. In this, we're going to add rest of the masalas. Add chilli powder, garam masala powder. We're going to add some cashew nut paste. This is what is going to make this rice a little bit sticky, This rice is not like biryani, pulao or like that. This is, we're going to use the regular, normal, small grain rice and we're going to make it. Once it is cooked, the rice, you will serve it as a nice upside down on a bowl so that it will nice hold the paste. And that stickiness will give very nice taste also to the dish. Mix all these masalas. We're going to add tomatoes. In this, what I did is, I'm going to add 2 cups of rice. But what I did, I added 4 cups of water and I added this bowl of more water because I am going to make a nice gravy from this chicken stock. Add along with the water, which is more than what we need for the rice, which we're going to take it out. I'm going to take some of the stock and make the gravy. So now this chicken is nicely boiling. This is the time to check the taste also. Add some more salt and I'm going to check the taste. This has to be same like any biryani. The water is tasty, your rice is tasty. Perfect. Once this is all ready, we are going to add rice into this. Before that, I'm going to take some of this water and I'm going to make a salan. You remember I added extra water in this bowl. So I'm just going to take that and all I'm going to do is take the water, the stock, the extra water, whatever I'm added, I am taking off from this. Okay. This is what I'm going to make my shorwa with. So this is on the side and now rice, whatever I have soaked in this chicken, we're going to add the rice and the water is just right enough. In this, we're going to add some green chilli, yogurt, mix this. After adding rice also, check the taste. If this is tasty, your rice will be tasty. If this water is not tasty, your kushka will not be that tasty. Once this comes to a boil and most of the water is absorbed, just mix it once, put the lid on and let it cook on a slow flame because I'm going to make the nice shorwa here. When I made the vegetarian version of kushka, I made again the salan, but that is a thicker version. But here we're going to make it like a nice shorwa, spicy one. So for this, we're going to add some oil in a pan. We're going to fry some coconut powder. Once this is colored, it will become into a nice gravy, silky gravy. If this is not colored, the coconut powder will come has little grains in the curry. A lot of people must have made this mistake. If you have made that mistake, say hi. The coconut powder has slightly colored here. In this, we're going to add some turmeric. We're going to add the paste of peanut and til. Just make a little bit paste. You don't even have to fry them. Just take some raw peanuts and sesame seeds, and only one problem is it will start sticking at the bottom. You don't have to worry. Keep mixing it like this, and in no time this will be cooked. In this, add the chicken kushka, that gravy. So whatever that gravy is there, just add to this. We can make many simple, easy and tasty ones. Because of the nice chicken flavor in it, it will get cooked well. In this, add some extra chilli powder because I want this to be spicy, and even from some banana peppers I cut into small pieces, this will get some more spicy. And a little bit of garam masala. You want to cook this on a slow flame now till the raw flavor is gone. Once the raw flavor is gone, the salan is ready. And adjust the taste in the last, and now whatever was sticking at the bottom is come off, and it will become a very nice salan gravy or a shorva gravy. Make it spicy because the chicken kushka is a little bit mild. This one spicy one, add on it and you will thoroughly enjoy it. The gravy we got from that stock in which we add tomatoes and there is sourness. But whenever you make this gravies, you make it hot and a little bit of sourness. So I'm just squeezing in a little bit of lime juice. In this, add some chopped coriander, and this is all ready. And here the rice is also fully absorbed. Look at this, because of the cashew and everything, this is little bit sticky. Always I have noticed somehow they serve it really hot and smoking, and when you touch it your hands will literally burn, but you put the gravy slowly, you enjoy it. When the food is hot, it is naturally very, very tasty. The gravy is ready and hot. See, look at this nice gravy. So now in this we're going to add some chili oil. So this chili oil also will give a very nice flavor for this salan. And since we did not make this salan sour, okay, I have a very sour raita. Grated this raw mango into the yogurt, add a little bit of salt, if you want add a little bit of fine chopped chilies, and make this raita sour. This mango, when in season, you need to experiment. And now we're going to serve the chicken kushka. I told you it has to be served very hot. So how they serve is, they usually have a nice steel kind of bowl, but I'm going to take this bowl, and what they do is they add this rice in the bowl along with, because I added chicken, it's fine. Last time when I made the vegetarian one, I added ghee also. If you want to do that. Then take the plate, put it like this and upside down. Look at it, nice, fuming hot, and have few pieces of cucumber if you want. And now what do we do next? This one is super hot. You put your hands there, it will burn your fingers. Anytime you eat food that is really hot, it is going to be very, very tasty. See, the way I want these cucumbers out of here, because I want the nice, gravy, this salan gravy, on the side. So just like this. This gravy is also very important. This is nice and hot. That nice chili gravy also making. So now I am making the island of kushka with this nice shorva gravy. Now I am satisfied. Maybe I should have a boiled egg also on top. Doesn't matter. Today, no boiled egg. This is super hot. So a little bit of this shorva along with this nice rice, the kushka. There are many variations. Each one of these dabas, the restaurants, they make their own kushkas. Make it the way you like it. With this, with the cashew nut and everything. This is super tasty. Wow. The rice and this shorva, I'm telling you, with a small chicken piece, this is out of the world. Wow. And I want to show you how this mango raita. How many of you have ever made mango raita? Make it with this kushka. Amazing. Dear friends, make best of the best food. always enjoy great food at home and keep saying Vareva.